Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Empire by Tejas.
Let's see our new concept. Our new concept is abacus counting. Abacus counting. This is our new concept. What do you mean by abacus counting? The counting which can be done with the help of beads and abacus spike. The counting which can be done with the help of abacus spike and beads. Now, this is the abacus spike in my hand and these are the beads in my hand. These are the beads in my hand. With the help of these both, we are going to do the counting. This is a real one, but if you want to draw and do on your book, you can do like this also. You can draw like this abacus spike on your book and you can do the counting. So now, let's take one example. Before that, I will tell you, in that image you can see one red color bead and one green color bead. But here, instead of green color, I have blue color bead. So, the red color bead shows us the tens place. This is the tens place. And the blue color bead shows us the ones place. This is the ones place. Ones place and tens place. The red color shows us the tens place and blue color shows us the ones place. So students, with the help of these beads, we are going to do the counting, abacus counting. So now we are going to take the example. We have took the example of number 24. 20. 20 means on tens place, we will take 2 beads. 21, because this one bead considered as 10. This one bead is considered as 10. So we will take 20 means we'll take 2 beads here, 1 and 2. And on the ones place, the number is 4. So we will take 4 blue beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this we have completed the abacus counting. 20 means 1, 10 and 2, 10 means 20 and 21, 22, 23 and 24. So like this we can do abacus counting. This is ones place and this is tens place. These are the numbers, these are the spikes which you can use for 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh like this. But this is not there in your syllabus. It is there in your next classes. Just now in this first standard class you are having of only tens and ones. So I have took this much only. This afterwards your next classes teacher will teach you. We will see only tens and ones now. I hope you have understood. One more example we will take on this. Now the next example we will take of 31. 31 means on the tens place we have to put 3 beads because it is 31, 2 and 3. 30 and on ones place 1 means 31. Yes, I hope you have understood this abacus spike counting. You can do in your book with the various examples. Thank you all of you for watching my video. Bye and have a nice day.